6 benefits of disinfecting your office. In this video we will discuss 6 benefits of disinfecting your office. 1. Improved air quality. Creating a cleaning system and having an office disinfection service that is properly scheduled for cleaning up surfaces using disinfectants and cleaning materials, and having office carpets vacuum cleaned is a sure way of reducing respiratory challenges that may affect people who are working there. The general quality of air is improved due to the surfaces that have been cleaned up, and you can be sure that the staff is bound to perform better. 2. Better health for all. Working with healthy people is important for any company, and one of the ways to ensure that staff is healthy is by regularly disinfecting all office spaces such as keyboards, trash cans, and doorknobs to get rid of illness-causing germs. 3. The workplace becomes safer. Dirty and wet floors are a health hazard to human beings. Having floors well maintained by regularly being cleaned and disinfected ensures that no one can slip and fall off. Any spillage that may have occurred is wiped off, thereby preventing anyone from being hurt whenever they step on the floor. 4. Professional look. The way the office looks says a lot about the company and its values. Many customers and other stakeholders get an opinion about a company by looking at the condition of the office, and they can make far-reaching decisions affecting the company based on their perception. 5. Enhances company values. A clean office is an expression of the values that the company holds. It is an indication that your company values itself and extensions its work and customers by looking at the safety and condition of everyone who uses and visits the office. Therefore, a clean office space will provide a good marketing opportunity for potential customers who come to do business with the company. 6. Increased productivity. A cleaned-up office ensures that employees do not have obstacles that are a distraction to their work and general performance while at work. Clean offices have desks, chairs, and cabinets all put in designated areas and leaving open spaces for actual work to be done. Employees do not have to spend extra time putting things in order or cleaning up their workstations when they first arrive, and thus wasting away too much valuable time. Instead, they go straight into work, thus increasing productivity.